If you're new to dog ownership and looking for a small, low-maintenance, and friendly companion, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some of the best small dog breeds perfect for first-time owners. These breeds are not only easy to care for, but they also bring endless joy and affection into your home. So stick around to discover the ideal furry friend that could be the perfect addition to your life. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, where we bring you all things dog-related. Without further ado, let's begin. 15. Italian Greyhound. The Italian Greyhound is a delightful and low-maintenance pet with a touch of elegance. Their short coat needs just a quick brush now and then, making grooming simple. These graceful dogs are full of energy and love to run around, though they're equally happy curling up for a cozy nap. Known for their strong bonds with their owners and their ability to tune into their emotions, Italian Greyhounds make attentive companions. Their minimal grooming needs and playful yet gentle nature make them an excellent choice for anyone looking for a loving and easygoing pet. 14. Coton de Tulear. The Coton de Tulear is a charming little dog known for its sweet nature and adaptability. These friendly pups are easy to fall in love with, thanks to their playful and gentle temperament. Their grooming needs are manageable with regular care. A quick brush a few times a week helps keep their fluffy, cotton-like coat in great shape. They also enjoy spending time with their family and are adaptable to various living situations, making them an excellent choice for first-time owners. With their happy personality and relatively easy grooming, they strike a perfect balance of being low-maintenance and endlessly lovable. 13. Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Pembroke Welsh Corgis are small dogs with a big heart and a playful spirit. Known for their intelligence and affection, they make wonderful companions for first-time owners. Their grooming needs are quite manageable, with regular brushing and occasional baths keeping their double coat looking its best. Plus, their moderate to high exercise needs are a great opportunity for fun activities like daily walks and playtime, which also keep them mentally sharp. With their energetic and outgoing nature, Pembroke Welsh Corgis bring a lot of joy and are easy to love. 12. Miniature Schnauzer. Miniature Schnauzers are not just charming with their distinctive whiskered faces, they're also lively and great watchdogs. Their grooming needs are straightforward and manageable. Just regular brushing, trimming, and occasional stripping to keep their unique coat in top shape. Their exercise needs are moderate, so daily walks and playtime are perfect to keep them happy. They also love mental challenges, like learning new tricks. With their spirited nature and easy-to-manage grooming routine, miniature Schnauzers are friendly and make fantastic companions for first-time owners. 11. Havanese. Havanese dogs are a bundle of joy wrapped in a silky coat. Known for their gentle and loving nature, these friendly little dogs thrive on human interaction and are always up for a cuddle or a play session. Their grooming needs involve regular brushing, bathing, and occasional trimming to keep their long, luxurious coat looking its best. But with a little consistency, it's easy to manage. Havanese have moderate exercise requirements. Daily walks and some indoor playtime are perfect for keeping them happy. Their unique trait is their joyful, playful spirit and love for being the center of attention, making them a loving choice for first-time owners. 10. Lhasa Apso. The Lhasa Apso is a small dog with a friendly and adaptable nature, making them a great fit for various living situations. These pups are known for their long, flowing coat and their ability to bond closely with their families. While their grooming needs involve regular brushing to keep their luxurious coat tangle-free, it's a manageable task with a bit of consistency. Lhasa Apsos are not just friendly, but also have a unique history as alert and loyal watchdogs, originally bred to guard Tibetan monasteries. Their combination of affectionate temperament and manageable grooming makes them an excellent choice for first-time dog owners seeking a loving companion. 9. Beagle. Beagles are the perfect blend of friendly and fun, making them an ideal choice for families and first-time owners. Their charming, droopy ears and expressive eyes make them irresistibly cute, and their outgoing nature ensures they get along well with everyone, from kids to other pets. While their short coat is low maintenance, needing only regular brushing to control shedding, their strong hunting instincts mean they might follow interesting scents, so keeping an eye on them is essential during outdoor adventures. Beagles thrive on daily walks, playtime, and interactive toys, which keep them happy and engaged. Their playful spirit and sociable demeanor make them a delightful addition to any home. 8. Pekingese. The Pekingese is a small dog with a big heart, known for its deep loyalty and affectionate nature. These charming companions thrive on close bonds with their families, offering warmth and love in return. While their long, luxurious coat requires regular grooming to keep it free from tangles and mats, they are otherwise quite low maintenance in terms of exercise and care. What sets the Pekingese apart is its rich history as a cherished companion of Chinese royalty, adding a touch of regal charm to their already friendly demeanor. With their unique blend of loyalty and manageable grooming needs, Pekingese make wonderful pets for those looking for a loving and devoted companion. 7. Chihuahua. The Chihuahua may be small in size, but its personality is larger than life. These spirited little dogs are known for their big hearts and lively nature. With minimal grooming needs, just occasional brushing to keep their coat sleek, they are easy to care for. Chihuahuas are also highly trainable and eager to learn, making them a great choice for first-time owners who want a manageable yet sweet pet. One of their unique traits is their impressive bravery and loyalty despite their tiny stature, which makes them charming and devoted companions. 6. Pomeranian. Pomeranians are small dogs with a vibrant personality and a strikingly fluffy coat. Despite their adorable cloud-like fur, they are surprisingly low maintenance, requiring only regular brushing to keep their coat free of tangles and occasional baths to stay fresh. These friendly and curious dogs are full of energy and love being the center of attention, making them great companions for families and individuals alike. Their playful nature and alertness ensure they're always ready for game or adventure. Though they need moderate exercise, including daily walks and interactive play, their grooming needs are manageable, making them a wonderful choice for those seeking a lively yet low-maintenance pet. 5. Boston Terrier. Boston Terriers are an excellent choice for first-time owners due to their friendly nature and manageable care requirements. Known for their lively and warm personalities, these compact dogs are low maintenance in terms of grooming, thanks to their short, smooth coat, which features a distinctive tuxedo pattern of black and white. Their playful and adaptable demeanor makes them great companions, and their moderate exercise needs fit well into a busy lifestyle. Boston Terriers are also generally easy to train and get along well with children and other pets, making them a wonderful addition to any home. 4. Pug. Pugs are perfect for first-time owners thanks to their easygoing personality and minimal grooming needs. Their unique appearance, with a wrinkled face, expressive eyes, and curly tail, adds to their charm. Pugs are known for their affectionate nature and playful attitude, making them excellent companions who love to be around their families. They adjust well to various living spaces, from cozy apartments to larger homes. With a short, low-maintenance coat and only moderate exercise requirements, pugs fit into a busy lifestyle effortlessly. They do need some supervision in hot weather due to their short noses, but their friendly and adaptable nature makes them a great choice for new dog owners. 3. Shih Tzu. With its luxurious coat and charming personality, Shih Tzus bring a touch of elegance and joy to any home. Shih Tzus are known for their affectionate and outgoing nature, making them excellent family pets that get along well with children and other animals. Despite their long, flowing coat requiring regular brushing and occasional professional grooming to avoid tangles, their exercise needs are moderate. They enjoy daily walks and indoor play, but are also content to relax at home, making them adaptable to various living situations, including apartments. Their loving temperament and manageable care requirements make Shih Tzus a good choice for first-time dog owners. 2. French Bulldog. French Bulldogs are instantly recognizable with their cute bat ears and sturdy build, adding a dash of charm and fun to any home. Known for their playful and loving nature, Frenchies quickly form strong bonds with their families and love to be in the center of attention. Their short coat is super easy to care for, just a bit of brushing and the occasional bath. They do need their facial wrinkles cleaned regularly to keep them healthy. French Bulldogs enjoy short walks and playful activities, but don't require a lot of exercise, making them perfect for any living situation. Their friendly and adaptable nature, combined with their low grooming needs, makes them a great choice for first-time dog owners. 1. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Cavalier King Charles Spaniels are a top pick for first-time dog owners because of how soft-hearted they are. With their expressive eyes and silky fur, they bring a touch of elegance and charm to any home. These friendly dogs love to cuddle and thrive on being close to their families, making them great companions for both kids and adults. Their grooming needs are straightforward, just regular brushing to keep their coats smooth, plus occasional baths and ear cleaning. Cavaliers enjoy moderate exercise, like daily walks and playtime, but they're also perfectly happy to relax indoors. Unique to this breed is their endearing smile, often described as a sweet, joyful expression that can brighten anyone's day. Finding the perfect small dog for your first-time ownership journey doesn't have to be overwhelming. The breeds we talked about offer a wonderful blend of low-maintenance grooming and adaptable exercise needs, making them ideal for new pet owners. Each one brings its unique charm and affectionate nature, ensuring that your first experience as a dog owner will be a joyful and fulfilling one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Do you have any tips or experiences with any of these dogs? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.